We got information yesterday evening by a police beat. Immediately, our drug department office, commissioned officers raided this place in Ramnagar district, Bidadi, where in a farmhouse, all spurious drugs were being supplied to the pharmaceutical outlets and hospitals. And when a little bit, and one person is arrested also, more than about 5 crores of value of spurious drugs are seized. And it is being, we have the inquiry and investigation done by the Superintendent of Police of Ramnagar. And on the when we see on the front side what is the issue, these fake drug factories which are in Telangana, which are in Himachal Pradesh and other parts of the country in the different states, they get these drugs on a very low cost and they label it with other multinational company branded, 4-5 branded of, including injections, including tablets, which are used in ICU for the patient, and they supply. That is for the, if the tablet injection value is 20,000, they'll give it for 5 to 6,000 to all these hospitals, and this is a very serious matter. We have taken it, and one person is arrested. So the issue is now it is not only concerned to our state; it is in the entire country. It is in other state. The factory is there, and we are sure that it may not be in one only place. This type of drug mafia will have in various places of the state also, and various state in this country also. Because that factory, they won't supply to only one place. It won't get work out also for them. So we are looking very serious on investigation also. And the main person who is behind this is in Dubai, named Mr. Prashant. And the person who was working out, he was Mr. Tejas. And was arrested was Mr. Prabhudev. And so it is a matter of where state and the center should join together. And all the state also, a big type of investigation is necessary. I have already spoken to our Home Ministry also. And because we have to sit together, the police department and health department, drug department, under the health department, we have a joint team. We should have a joint team to investigate this. We want to know from where this has come and who has got the logistics connection between who supplies which vehicle they come and go. And once it reaches here, who is a middleman who takes it and goes to the hospitals and pharma company, and which are the hospitals, which are the drug shops. All the owners are now liable to this because they know, this is they may not know it is labeled, this is labeled, but they for how can they think to get for lesser rate and charge more for the patients? So there are multiple sections of people and enterprises included in this. So we want to hire inquiry on this, and we want to give an award to our the beat police who are given information also.
What kind of so apparently, do you think at a primary level, these pharmacies, distributors of the hospitals were purchasing this deliberately as well?
And they no. When they go to a farmhouse in the the interior farmhouse and in a house they are getting this without, and they know 100% they will know it.
Sir, has the hospitals been identified like the high health risk on the patients as well?
No, see, now the inquiry is going on. Who has been arrested, he should give the details. If we get if the billing section is there, billing system is there, we will know. But we don't know. Now all people are smart. What type of bill they have do, how they have taken money, no one knows. In the inquiry, we will come to know.
So you said, the original packaging and the labeling was, of a multinational was also being seen.
Yeah.
So, how were they able to source this original labeling and packaging things? Sir, how were they actually sourcing this?
No, they have to print the label here only.
But sir, you need to have that original cardings.
Everything they have got. I've got a video, I sent you that. All type of stickers and all type of where they have got a spray to remove the stickers also, latest. So all type of technology they may have, and I don't, as you say, they may get these used covers of this company from the pharmacy, from the hospital. They may repack in the same system also. We can't say.
How long it was happening, sir, in this form?
The inquiry should take place. No, then one will come to know.
What is the next course of action? Are you banning these products for some time temporarily?
It's already banned. We have got a system of the supply chain, where the more than 12 lakhs of medicines are there in this supply chain of data. When this type of messages comes, pure as drugs, immediately will block that. So that entire place that bill won't be generated further on that medicines.
Sir, since you say it's a national network, will you be urging the center as well to look into this?
Yes, we will urge the center also, and there's no need of urging also. Now we have come to know through you. They should take it so morely. They should come and ask us. They should congratulate us. They should award our drug inspectors and police,
So there's
and they should take it forward. And we'll support in all the way because it's the national health problem.
Sir, outside, there's also been a concern about the fact that there's various medical tests that one really undergoes. It's costing different at a different place, at the labs and stuff. So is the government also planning under your leadership to cap this whole price? Because there's a huge concern.
Yeah, we already discussed this with the central health minister because all this rating of the drugs and this all depends CGS rate is decided by the central health ministry. So last time when I met him on the first meeting only we have discussed. Officers were there. They said they'll also look into it.
When the SIT could be formed and how long will the investigation take? Is there any time
See,
bound?
because in these various states are there, and the owner is sitting in the other country, and international multinational company labels are fixed here. Only Karnataka will be limited for the inquiry and the investigation. So we need one separate type of investigation. I would discuss with Karnataka Health Ministry, Home Minister. We'll take a decision at the earliest what to do.
Sir, 2 days back, you had released a QR code about it, right? So if you could update us about it, how many in total complaints you have received and what has been the action that you have taken? Anything that very concerning you've also
It is there. Till now we have taken 345. But in details, we'll give the next we'll brief it up now.
सर एक ब्रीफ हिंदी में कर दीजिए बहुत हिंदी चैनल आए हैं आज आप
मैं हिंदी बात कर सकता हूँ, आपको मालूम नहीं पड़ता क्या करना थोड़ा बताएंगे प्रॉब्लम होंगे तो क्या हो गया अभी ड्रग का प्रॉब्लम है मेरा लैंग्वेज का प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो क्या होगा
डिपार्टमेंट में इतना अच्छा काम किया क्योंकि ये औषधि जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा लोगों के बहुत कंसर्न है। आपने खुद कहा अपनी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कि मैं खुद अब परेशान हो रहा हूँ कि मैं असली दवा ले रहा हूँ कि नकली दवा ले रहा हूँ। तो ये कैसे आप कर पाए, कैसे टिप ऑफ मिला और क्या आप इसकी जांच जो है आगे चल रही है?
See, this is about police beat. The beat police, he has given the information, and immediately our drug inspector has gone and they have raided issue, and now the SP of the Ramnagar is taking the investigation. But we want a special team for investigation because we want to concentrate logistics and supply and the consumers, everyone in this. Thank you.
Thank you.